What's up, guys? It's Fermi J here. I am here to bring you a very simple trading strategy that has made me money, that is reliable, that has a proven track record, that is very, very simple, and it doesn't need to become any more complicated than that. And with this strategy, it's called the break. It's a known strategy. It's the break and retest strategy. We're gonna use supply, demand, and key levels and break and retest of structure to gain entry at trades. So right now we're looking at US 30 on the 4-hour chart, and we're going to do a higher time frame analysis starting with the 4-hour. On the daily chart, we've made all-time highs, and then price has slanted down, making a bit of a channel. Ultimately, we still are pretty high. The market still is bullish with a little bit of a current reversal. We're going to drop down to the 4-hour, mark out our key levels, and then what we're going to do is drop down to the 1-hour, see how it looks on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to gain entry with the 5-minute chart. So when market opens or when price moves to a key level, we're going to watch how it reacts to that level. So this was an example of a trade I took this morning that was profitable. I had my key levels marked up, market opened, came up to this level. We have a rule that we wait at least 5 minutes after the open. We don't want to enter before or right at open. 5 minutes minimum. Price comes down to this level, respects this already marked out level of support, starts to reverse in the opposite direction. So in this case, price has respected this key level. This is now going to end up being the entry that we use. And then depending on what your strategy is, I trade 1-to-1 because I want a very, very high win rate. So I'm trading 1-to-1 or 1-to-1.5. But in this case, it would have benefited you to use a much higher TP because this level up here, this liquidity zone, right? Price comes up to this level, and then and as you see, this is a resistance that was also supported. This also could have been a really good entry, but we'll move on to that first or later. So firstly, this is one example of this strategy where it respected the key level. So what we're looking for is one of two things. One, like it happened here, the key level was respected. Move my camera. The key level was respected, so we entered for a winning position. Now, I call this the supply demand / break and retest strategy. If price breaks a key level and then pulls back to said key level, and starts to form more price action in the direction of the key level that it broke, what we're going to do is now enter another short position. Again, risk reward is variable. It's up to you. I like to trade with a 1-to-1.5. And we're going to gain entry like that. Very simple. Two setups that happen on every time frame, every single day on any instrument. Either supply demand gets respected, or it breaks, retest, and then continues either upside or downside. Very simple, guys. We don't have to overcomplicate trading. We don't have to know all the terminology or know why the market's moving. There's no real reason to know why. We just understand price action and what's currently happening at that moment. So let's keep it simple. Very good beginner strategy. If you want, you can back test it. Try different risk to rewards. I like to trade with the 1-to-1 because I want a super high win rate, a consistent super high win rate. And I want to be in and out of the market. I don't want my trades to run. I'm a day trader, not a swing trader. So keep you guys posted. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video.